Are you tired of hitting a paywall every time you need an important document for your studies or research? Today, I'm going to show you a secret trick to download any Scribd document, completely for free. First, you just need to get the link to the document. You can easily do this by clicking the Share button on the page and hitting Copy Link, or you can just copy the URL straight from the address bar at the top. Next, open a new tab and head over to Scribd.com. This is a completely free tool that converts any Scribd document into a high-quality PDF. Simply paste the link you just copied right into this box and click Download PDF. The site will immediately start processing the document and extracting all the pages for you. It usually takes just a few seconds. Once the process is complete, just click the Download PDF Now button, and the file will instantly save to your computer. And there you go. As you can see, we now have the full, complete document in perfect quality, ready to read offline. No login, no subscriptions. Go try it out yourself at Scribd.com.